This is a Teekuv 1200 watt, 6000 Kelvin, 135,000 lumens, 12 plus hours of runtime. It is a solar array panel that you can hang up anywhere. Basketball court, tennis court, a parking lot, anywhere. Turn on the switch, long press it, you see a number of lights. The light comes on. That shows you that the unit is operating. You have all these LEDs. You have the solar panel that's going to collect the sun, where you put it outside. Hang it on the pole, hang it on the wall with the added support of the brackets, hardwares, screws. You get a remote control. It goes on 100% brightness, dusk to dawn. You can keep it off, and you can control it in the increments of time, of hours of the remote control. Grab the hardware, washer, nut, and repeat for the other three. Up to 3 inches on a nice large pole, down to about 2 inches on a small pole. Demonstrating on a pole that we could mount this up to, and adjusting the brackets and the mounts to the pole by simply and tighten down. And this is one way to mount it. While we're going to hook it up and show you what it looks like at nighttime on a pole. We're going to turn the light off, hit the auto, and come back in the evening hours for you and go over the details of the unit. Dusk to dawn street light. It has 3 different kelvins. When you hit the on button, it changes from 1 Kelvin to the other to the next. Hit the center button to change between the kelvins. So the next time dusk to dawn, they will come on. You have a percentage 25, 50, 75, and 100%, and a timer. I hope this is a street light that you're looking for, dusk to dawn, for your needs.